Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Star. Today we are diving into a fundamental aspect of Python programming, comments. You might be wondering, why do we need comments in a code? Well, think of it like leaving a note for your future self or a flow programmer. Comments help explain what your code does, especially when it gets complex. We have two types of comments in Python, single line and multi-line. Single line comment start with a hashtag like this, and then this is a comment. Okay, let's run it. Wait to connect to Python. The comment is some line of the code that the Python don't run it, and it's just for a programmer to see. Okay, this is a comment, and it's do nothing. We have multi-line comment that start with quotes. This is a comment, for example, and we can close it like this and run a code here. Hi. You can write your comment between the quotes. Now, let's talk about some best practice for using comments. First, keep your comments clear and concise. Avoid writing comments that simply repeat what the code does. Instead, explain the why behind your code. For instance, if you are using a complex algorithm, explain why you choose it. Second, be purposeful with your comment. Don't comment every single line of code. Focus on an area that might be confusing or require additional context. Finally, remember to update your comments whenever you change your code. Outdated comments can be misleading. Okay, let's see some practical example for the comments. Let's write a comment. For example, we want to write a code that list input dot split dot split. For example, we want to store the name data in this list. We comment this, the storing and processing names. We write some comment like this. Or another use of a comment that I really like. For example, think we write a code. Okay. For x in range 100. If, for example, x equal to 0, print something. We want to create this line of code, but we want this line of code to don't run. For that, we just do a thing like this. Let me write it. We put 3 here and 3 here. Then this line of code don't run. Okay. Common mistakes. One common mistake is over commenting. Too many comments can clutter your code and make it harder to read. Another mistake is writing misleading comments. If a comment doesn't accurately reflect the code, it can be more harmful than useful. In Colab, we write comment by creating a text cell. We can write a comment in text cell and in code whenever we want. In conclusion, comments are a valuable tool for making your Python code more readable and maintainable. By following best practice and use comments, you can improve the quality and clarity of your code. So the next time you're writing code, remember to leave some notes for your future self. Thanks for watching. We are near the end of this course. See you tomorrow.